naman siya, my dear. Okay. So, next card natin is, ano yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng ating buong may kapal, okay, ng ating spirit guide? Message para sa ating my dear Aries ngayong second half of February. We have here the energy of the Two of Wands, okay? Sa energy dyan, sa energy ng Two of Pentacles, okay, is hindi mo yan kayang panatiliin ng ganong katagal, okay? Hindi mo kayang i-juggle yung sitwasyon.
Full video will be available on YouTube February 5, 2026, 10 a.m. Philippines time, and Facebook February 4, 2026, 5:30 p.m. Philippines time. Thank you.